Friday, May 27th edition of the Carolina Weather Video. I'm meteorologist Matthew East here with. And certainly it was a pretty rough evening and overnight period for parts of the Piedmont, the foothills, the mountains, some severe thunderstorms rumbling on through from time to time, even a couple of tornado warnings required for parts of Gaston and Mecklenburg counties, some pretty brief but intense low-level circulation with that storm as it moved through Gaston and into Mecklenburg counties. A lot of trees down, some power outages with that still ongoing as I speak here early on this Friday morning. There's a compilation of storm reports, and there was a good bit of them all the way from the northeast down through the western Carolinas toward the New Orleans area. There was a low-end preliminarily rated EF3 tornado just north of Lake Pontchartrain there. Several injuries with that as we went through late yesterday afternoon. Today's severe weather threat looks like this. The slight risk area running from the northern parts of the Virginias up into the northeast. But this is a deal where we're going to see some showers and storms and a good number of them across our region here. And while the severe weather threat is not great, it is there. There could be a couple of strong to severe storms from time to time. There's the radar imagery from 5:15 this morning. Pretty quiet over much of North Carolina temporarily, but this next little disturbance here in northeast Georgia is moving northeast, and so that'll bring another round of showers and storms later this morning. There's the broader perspective, and really the setup here for us is a essentially stall frontal boundary right about there. We're in that warm and soupy side of that front, and there's a lot of these little disturbances that'll be rippling through, and any one of them could bring a round of showers and storms today and into tonight. The big upper low is gradually filling and weakening here off to our north and west, and it's really going to completely fall apart here over the next 36 hours. And no big air mass change coming with it, but certainly today a pretty good chance for showers and storms, and that warm, soupy air hanging on here in our region. Notice the weakening of that upper level disturbance. That's the same system that was that huge upper level low that caused all the severe weather earlier in this week, but it's much weaker now. And notice by the time we get into Sunday morning, the big ridge begins to take hold. That'll be with us the first few days of next week. This is Memorial Day early afternoon, 594 decameter ridge sitting over the Ohio Valley. But that shifts west with time next week. This is Friday morning, and by the second half of the week, we get into more of a northwest flow aloft. But let's talk about today. There's going to be showers and storms around from time to time. That's the GFS. There's the European model, similar overall in their depictions of that shower and storm chance today. Now, tomorrow, the system continues to fall apart. It'll probably be a deal where the best chance of showers and storms for Saturday will be closer to Interstate 95 and points east. But still, even around the I-85 corridor, could be a couple of storms around, but not as extensive as what we'll see today. And it does look mainly dry then for most of us outside of the mountains as we get into Sunday and Monday. I'll go with a mainly dry forecast and getting warmer. Upper 80s rather for Sunday, probably low 90s by Memorial Day. And then the heat really peaks Tuesday and Wednesday with some low to mid 90s, even maybe some upper 90s again toward the Sandhills and the coast. And the GFS prints out some precipitation there on Tuesday. I'm going to keep it mainly dry Tuesday in the forecast, but as that northwest flow begins to take over there, Wednesday and Thursday could very well feature some thunderstorms rumbling in from the northwest. All right, so that's it for today's edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Thank you for watching. Have a great Memorial Day weekend, and God bless.